T-Rex! Run this way! Run over here! What is wrong with this game? It's okay, guys. He'll be gone soon.
Sephora Xena's Toy Story.
Mommy was on the phone. I saw her smile and heard her say something about... Hi, Mommy.
Hi, guys. So Mommy's gonna go out. Be good girls. Listen to Daddy. And whatever you do, stay away from that game. It looks very creepy. Stay away from that game, okay? Bye.
Bye. Done with this book. Let's go play.
But Mommy said not to play. It's so scary.
Sephora, don't worry. Daddy's here, okay? We're gonna go play and have a lot of fun. It's just a game, okay? Let's go play. Ready to go play with Jumanji?
Yeah!
You guys ready to go play with Jumanji?
Yeah!
Let's go! Wow, we finally got the Jumanji. You guys ready to open it up?
Yeah!
All right. It says Jumanji, a game for those who seek to find a way to leave their world behind. Come on, nothing's gonna happen. So silly. Let's open this up. It's a joke. All right, we got the game set up. It's Zena's turn first, okay? You ready to roll, Zeena? Let's see how scary this game really is. You roll first, Zeena. It's your turn first. All right, you got 6. So let's move your piece 6 pieces. 5, 6. All right, you got to pick a card. Maybe you pick this card. All right, let's put this inside the Jumanji and see what this does. Okay, so it says... Thirsty bloodsuckers, black as the night, they'll cover your body and give you a fright. Yeah, right. Come on. Oh no, what's that coming up the ground? Zeena, Sephora, it's a thirsty bloodsucker. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, so scary. So scary. Back up, guys. Back up. Oh no. Can't believe this is happening. I thought this game was a joke. Can't believe this is real. Man, let's not play anymore.
You must finish the game.
Wait, who said that? It says we cannot begin unless we intend to finish. Oh no, I think we have to finish, guys. We have to finish the game. Oh man, this is real. I thought it was a joke. Sephora, you're next. Okay, you got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I will get this one. I'm scared, Daddy.
Don't be scared, Sephora. We can get through this. So the card says, huge beast on the move. Driving through like a truck. You can't outrun them. Watch out for their tusk. What? What's gonna happen, guys? Oh no, guys, back up! Come with Daddy! It's a big elephant! Oh man, that's a tall giraffe! Back up, guys! Oh no! Oh no! Oh man, running through the house! Sephora and Zeena, were you guys scared of those animals?
Yeah.
That big elephant was scary, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, but we gotta complete the game. It's Daddy's turn, okay?
Okay.
I got a 10, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's this one? I hope it's not a scary one. Man, let's see. The building is crumbling. You are in trouble. Hurry and escape or you'll be covered in rubble. Oh my goodness, guys. It sounds like an earthquake. We gotta get somewhere fast. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, let's get under the table. Under the table, Zeena. Let's go. Under the table. Oh, no, I gotta get the game. All right, guys, stay under the table. We will be okay, guys. Guys, now the earthquake is done. We're safe under here, okay?
Okay.
Are you scared?
Yes, Daddy.
Don't be scared. We will get through this game. We have to get through this game, okay?
Okay.
It's Zeena's turn now. I hope you roll a good number, Zeena. 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, Zeena, here goes your card. Oh no. Every month at the quarter moon, there is a monsoon in your lagoon. Guys, it looks like a flood. We gotta grab the game and get somewhere high. Oh no, water's gonna come. Let's go. Oh no, the water's coming! Oh no, guys! We'll stay up here, just stay up here. It will all be over soon. Oh no, my couch! Alright, we gotta open up the door and clean this up. We need to clean all this water up. Now that the water's gone, it's your turn, Sephora. We gotta keep going, okay?
Okay.
Alright, it looks like you got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, this is your card, Sephora. A slithering serpent disguised on the ground. It will wrap you up and drag you down. Oh no, we're disappearing, guys! What happened to my shirt? Where are we?
I don't know.
Whoa. What's that in the trees? Can you guys hear that, Sephora and Zeena? Can you hear that?
Yeah, Daddy.
Oh man, I hope it's not a snake. Oh no, here goes the snake coming down right now! Oh no, it's humongous! Get back, you snake! Get back! Get back! Back, you snake! Get back! Get back! Stay away from my kids! Stay back, guys! Stay back! Alright guys, the snake is gone. But we need to continue this game and finish it. We need to keep moving, Sephora and Zeena. Let's go. Let's go over here and open it up.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright guys, I'm hoping for a good number so we can get closer to Jumanji. 1 second, okay? Yes, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. His fangs are sharp. He likes your taste. Your party better move post haste. I think we better get out of here. Oh no, guys, it's a T-Rex! Run this way! Run over here! What is wrong with this game? It's okay, guys. He'll be gone soon. That was a really close one. Did you see that big T-Rex? We almost got eaten. We're safe now. But guys, whoa, I think we're at a really safe house. It's really big. We must keep playing, guys. We have to keep playing. We have to finish Jumanji or we're not gonna make it back home. Let's go, guys.
Okay, Daddy.
Zeena, it's your turn to roll, okay? Here you go.
Okay.
Good job. 8. She got an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, Zeena, pull your card. You can put it inside this time. There you go.
What did it say, Daddy? I'm scared.
Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. We can get through this. Okay, the card says, at night they fly, you better run. These winged things are not much fun. Oh no, guys, we better get out of here. Oh no, guys, it's a dragon. Get down. Stay down, it's coming back. All right, guys, let's run this way. Come this way. Follow me. Oh, Daddy. Oh no. It's blowing fire. Oh no. The dragon is gone. The house is clear now. Sephora, it's your turn to roll. You ready to roll, Sephora?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. You got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beware of the ground for which you stand. The floor is quicker than the sand. What? But we're not on sand. Oh no, we're fading again.
Where are we, Daddy?
I don't know, but the sand's not sinking. I guess we should roll again. Oh no, guys, we gotta get up. The sand is moving. Let's go, grab the game and let's go.
Oh no, a sand monster!
All right, guys, it's okay. It's okay. Come over here to the grass. Stay in the grass. All right, guys, it's the last roll. We gotta get home. Yes, she got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We made it, guys. All right, guys, let's put our hands together in the middle. We need you too, Zeena.
Jumanji!
We're home! My kids, I'm so happy. We made it.
Yay!
We made it. Never touch this game again.
Yeah, Daddy, put it away!
We should always listen to Mommy.
Thank you for watching Sephora Zeena's Toy Stories. Don't forget to subscribe.